Hi everyone, today's video is so exciting. Sorry that the lighting's not great, but this video is so exciting. Today I'm filming the first moving vlog for a flat. I mentioned in a couple of vlogs, I think, that Danny, Elle and I are moving into our own flat. I'm really excited. I've never really technically had like my own flat before because obviously I lived in like university accommodation last year, which doesn't really count, and this year I've been staying at Danny's flat, which isn't mine obviously. So I'm really excited to have my own flat. I'm really excited to decorate it. It's going to be so fun. So obviously I wanted to film a few moving vlogs for you guys because this is just so exciting. So this is the first one. It's the 13th of April today and we're moving on the 26th of April. So we still have a couple of weeks, but tonight we're going to IKEA, so I thought that I would bring you guys along. We have a big list of things we need and I'll just show you, and I'll maybe explain later in the vlog about finding the flat and stuff like that. And we actually have a viewing for it tomorrow. We've already accepted it and paid the deposit and stuff like that, but we are actually seeing it in person for the first time tomorrow, so I'll take you along to that too. I'm just so excited. This is going to be so fun. So hopefully I'm going to be doing quite a few of these videos. I don't know what they're all going to have in them. They'll probably just be a mix of stuff, but this is the first one and I'm really excited. IKEA day! Are you excited?
Oui.
Just got here. There's no queue. Lovely. Here's our list. We have quite a lot of stuff, so I doubt we'll be able to get all of it. We're in IKEA. This is going to be our first purchase. POV. You're in IKEA. Big fan of this kitchen.
Watch Danny and Jules do the dishes.
A microwave just pinged.
But there's no microwave.
Too white.
Oh, they're nice cupboards.
So far we're just at the home bit, like the show bit. So not much to tell you. Soon. Here really showing off their fashion sense.
Got some jewelry.
What jewelry have they got? This is me in 10 years time. Then I'll go to the sink. Oh, go for a shower. Get my dress on for the day. Brush my teeth.
With a bottle of jam.
Here's our first purchase, some pot stands. Oh, those ones could work because they're metal. Oh. Okay, I think we're done now, right?
Yeah.
We've left a couple things that we might come back for because we haven't actually seen what the flat looks like yet. But I'll give you a haul when we get back. I'm really hungry now, so we're gonna get food somewhere. We're getting some of the IKEA meatballs for dinner because I've never had them before. But Danny tells me that they're good. So we'll see. We're just about to leave now to go see the new flat. I'm so excited. I'm not going to take you with me, but I'm going to take like videos and photos when I'm there. So I might show you afterwards. I haven't decided yet if I want it to be a surprise, but I'm really excited. I hope we like it because we've already accepted it and paid the deposit. I haven't filmed anything for a few days, but we thought we would sit down and show you what we got from IKEA and also talk a bit about the flat viewing that we had.
Even though we definitely don't have the time to do that right now.
We are in a bit of a rush, but this video needs to go up today. Okay, should we start with IKEA first?
Yeah.
So the first thing we got was a doormat with some flowers on it. Smells bad. Then we got this mixing bowl. Then we got this sink organizer. It's kind of ugly, but you can put sponges and stuff in it. Then we got a heat mat. Then we got another heat mat. Then we got
things. We spent money on them.
Yeah, we got some metal utensils.
There's like 5 of them.
We thought we would get metal instead of plastic because the plastic ones melt. Oh yeah, I got this candle. It smells nice. A pan and brush, a jug, some kitchen scissors. This is such an exciting haul, isn't it?
Yeah, let's just rattle through it.
We got some salad utensils, which we probably will never use.
It's kind of hard to do that, right?
Oh, almost. We got this thing to wash the dishes. We got a plastic spatula. Just thought we'd best have a spare one. We got some glasses. It took us a while to choose these because a lot of them were too small or ugly, but we went for these ones.
I like you.
We got 3 side plates.
Only 3.
Yeah, we didn't need any other plates because we already have some, but we don't have any side plates. Okay, we finished IKEA now.
We finished IKEA.
So we'll show you stuff we got from other places. So we got this from Papyrus, which is a shop on Byres Road in Avonmouth. We only bought one because it was £6.95, so really expensive. But it has some nice lemons. Reminds me of Sicily. And then we got this spoon, which was originally £10. £10
for a spoon!
£10. But it was on sale
Just
for
use your
5.
hand for free.
It was on sale
Unless you don't have a hand.
It was on sale for 5. So we thought if it started off as 10, it must be a pretty amazing spoon. So we got it. We got this bowl from a shop called Nancy Smiley.
Smelling.
Is it Smiley? Is it actually Smiley? We always call it Nancy Smiley. But it was the first time we'd been in. They had quite a lot of nice stuff. But we got this bowl.
That's all.
For our keys. And it will go nicely with our haul, which is yellow. No, we're not showing that.
Might as well, we're here.
No.
Might as well, why not?
Has nothing to do with the video.
Yeah, but give you content.
I bought a dress for my birthday, which is in like 2 days.
Look.
It's this nice silky dress. I think that's everything we've got to show. We never ended up finishing the video the other day, so
Because Juliet got grumpy.
we were also in a rush. It just wasn't working. So I thought I'd film a bit today because this video is quite short so far. Hopefully you can hear us fine because we've got the window open, but it's really warm.
Do you not want to show the vlog view we've got right now?
Looks very nice. We're in Rebecca's room. Because
a cloud in the sky.
our room's a mess. Everywhere in the flat is a mess because it was my birthday yesterday and we were celebrating. We have some really nice decorations up.
Steaming.
So did you? You were quite drunk.
It was only L.
I was actually like not bad at all. I mean, I was leaving.
Nobody, we weren't that bad at all.
We've got some really nice decorations up, which I took some clips off before. So
They're going to be staying up for at least a month, I think.
Yeah, I definitely want to keep them up. So yeah, I thought I would just film a bit today. We also have some new news about the flat, so this works perfectly in the moving vlog. So we mentioned the other day that we obviously went to the flat viewing. It didn't go the greatest. We now basically can't move in at our original date, which was the 26th of April, because the flat, it turned out that the previous tenants like hadn't cleaned it at all and it needed like a lot done. Yeah, like the floors needed replaced in the bathroom and the kitchen. I do have pictures, but I'm not going to insert them because I feel like it just makes like, it makes everyone look bad.
Yeah.
But I was planning on showing you guys in this vlog, but
it will be soon.
yeah, so basically it's getting repainted, it's getting cleaned, it's getting, the floor's getting replaced in the kitchen and the bathroom.
New sofa.
A new couch. It was meant to have 2 couches, but there was only one. So we think the old tenants took the couch.
But they left a printer, it's a very funny one.
Yeah, they left like a blender, a printer, a Bluetooth speaker.
I don't know why you got all the effort of stealing or taking a couch if you wouldn't then take your printer.
It's weird. It looks as though they like just forgot half their stuff. Yeah, it's really weird.
Maybe they had a body hidden in the couch, so they had to remove it.
Could be that. So we were told basically that we now can't move in on the 26th because we've got too much work to do. So I think our new date to go look at the flat once it's been done up is the 7th of May. So the moving vlogs aren't going great so far because
no, it's not.
I had such a good plan like of when the moving vlogs were going up. I was like, I had everything scheduled, but now that's all changing. So the 7th of May, we're gonna go look at it, and hopefully we can either move in that day or like that weekend.
It should be around then, yeah.
Yeah, as long as we like it. Oh, it's so sad.
It's not that far away. It's only like 2 weeks.
I know, but it's meant to be next week. It's meant to be less than a week.
Yeah.
It's meant to be literally 5 days that we're moving, and I was so excited. Is there anything else that we should talk about?
I don't think so. We're gonna go for a wee walk.
Yeah.
First.
So I think I might just take you along because this video's kind of short. It's also not very interesting because we actually didn't really do much.
I would get a coffee, but I've had quite a lot of caffeine today. So maybe
oh, I got Chamberlain coffee.
Yeah, finally.
For my birthday.
It's actually quite nice.
Yeah,
Emma.
it is, isn't it? Danny was so against it for so
I wasn't
long. Even though we're fans of Emma.
We do like
Emma. We watched Emma's video. Oh, she uploaded a new video the other day.
Oh, great.
It was a haul though, so I didn't think you would want to watch it. Oh no, no, it wasn't a haul, it was an iPad video.
They're not that bad when she styles them.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
kind of fun. So maybe you can watch that later. Yeah, I got a Chamberlain coffee, it was really nice for my birthday. But I'm going to do a haul, a birthday haul. This will be up before the birthday haul probably.
Okay, anyway. Sneak. Oh, you've got?
I've got those in, that's what you've seen so far. So we just wanted to give you that update because yeah, this video's kind of a mess to be honest. Also, we can go back to IKEA at some point because I've got an IKEA voucher for my brother and sister. We just got back from a walk. I forgot to film anything, sorry. But we went to Starbucks and got an iced latte, but I had to add some milk to it because it was a bit strong. Here's our decorations, I've been showing you them, but they're so cool. And I really like them. And here's some roses that I bought the other day that went really nicely. And then we've got some napkins with lemons on them. I was gonna vlog yesterday, but I didn't want to feel pressure on my birthday.
21.
Yeah, I'm 21 now.
Woo. That means you're legal.
I can finally drink in America. Even though I've never been to America. Probably won't go anytime soon.
God.